I was an early adopter of one mine, and what we ended up doing, I was a co-design partner of some sort, right? And they had this notion of an avatar, and that's when I went to Amanda and said, that might be too much so early on. I don't doubt that maybe one day that will work, but for us right now, can you just make the interface like an orb, not very intrusive, similar to how ChatGPT was doing it at the time. And that's done wonders because now we're getting real time signals as someone is walking through a product, onboarding themselves, because with observability, you can do so much. It's a little bit of a choose your own adventure. So that's been really nice to take that information and know what it is that's sticking with our customers, plus in real time being able to communicate. So that's been a whole wealth of learnings right there.